$3,000? How can it be so much? I can't afford this risk right now. Oh, wow.
Pet insurance can feel confusing and expensive, but the right policy can save you thousands of dollars in emergency vet bills. Imagine paying just $250 instead of a $5,000 surgery bill. Pet insurance is usually worth it for healthy pets with no pre-existing conditions. However, if your pet is older or has chronic health issues, monthly premiums may be too expensive and may not provide enough value. There is no one-size-fits-all plan. Coverage and pricing depend on your location, your pet's breed, age, and lifestyle. Before buying a policy, compare coverage limits, deductibles, reimbursement rates, and exclusions. Choose a plan that protects your pet and fits your budget. Protect your furry friend before an emergency happens. Compare plans carefully, read the fine print, and choose top 10 the best pet insurance. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with other pet parents. Number 2. Choose a plan specific to your pet's health. If your pet has a congenital or hereditary condition, they will need pet insurance that covers that specific complaint. Some companies will not cover these conditions if your pet already shows symptoms of them, while others will only cover the condition if an add-on is put on your policy and premium. Some insurance companies will also allow you to build your policy, adding on parts that you think are necessary and removing parts you don't need.
This flexibility helps you get the right protection.
Before buying pet insurance, review what conditions are covered, whether hereditary issues are included, and if add-ons are required.
Number 3. Is your pet a pedigree or purebred? Some premium dogs, such as bulldogs, French bulldogs, pugs, etc., come hand in hand with a whole host of medical problems, mostly due to breeding practices. People want a specific look, so people breed them specifically to look that way despite the effect it has on the dog's health. Sadly, these breeds are prone to certain medical conditions because of high demand for aesthetically pleasing pedigrees. As a result, insurance may be more expensive, and you may need to look for an extra package specifically for it. Number 4. Always read the small print. No one reads the small print these days. I know, but this is one time you really can't afford to skip the step. It will state the do's and don'ts, and if you don't follow the rules, the policy can be voided, and you won't receive a single cent despite paying into it for months or years. And you may need to look for an extra package specifically for it. Number 5. Think about the unthinkable. It's never nice to think about no longer having your furry friend in your life, but one day that's something that will likely happen to all of us. It's also something you might want to consider having as part of your pet insurance. Number 6. Sign up early. The younger your pup is when you get pet insurance, and keep it going throughout their life, the cheaper it will be in the long run. The monthly premiums for puppies are much lower. As the pup grows, the insurance cost will grow, too, but it won't be as high as if you sign up for the first time when your dog is an adult.
If you travel often, check your pet insurance carefully.
Number 7. Are you a traveler? You will need to take this into account when you sign up for your pet insurance plan. If something happens to your precious pet while you're on your travels, most insurance companies will not cover you for treatment in the basic packages. Number 8. Paying for pet insurance every month rather than in one lump sum sounds like a good idea in theory, but in practice you'll end up paying more in installments. This is usually laid out quite clearly to you when you sign up.
Thank you for watching.